Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and please do not fall for spam. We're going to cover some stock today, and we're going to cover Bitcoin, all right? Was having some technical difficulties, so the desk is a little in disarray. I had to redo some chords. But hey, we're a page of all ages, all races. We love here. We make money. We don't get into any negativity. All right. All right. So a lot's been going on. I'm going to start with the stock market and I'm going to cover some Bitcoin. Please stay tuned to the end. OK, the CDC says that the Omicron variant does not appear to be worse than the Delta variant. OK, so that's what's happening. So on yesterday's video, I literally said I didn't think the Dow was going to, be like 600. I thought it may be flat. Talking about today, I said that on yesterday. And what happens? The Dow goes to 600. But I also said I pray that it proves me wrong. On Monday, when that bell goes off, we don't know what's going to happen tonight. What happens tonight with the Omicron variant is going to be everything for the stock market tomorrow and crypto. So Monday is going to be a very, it's a day that you're really going to have to watch your trades. Now, if it tanks on Monday, I would not be going all in, right? But if they come out and nothing else happens overnight, it could be flat to a slightly green day. Okay. I don't think it's going to be a 600 day, 600. The Dow's going to go up 600 points. I don't think it's going to be one of those type of days. Now, if I'm proven wrong by the stock market, I would more than welcome that. All right, good people. The news that hit this morning is the CDC and all of those guys. I'm not going to call any names for you political people. The doctor. He said that so far it is not NOT. So far it is not as worse as the Delta variant. So that's good news for the market. The market is taking that news and reacting positively towards it. As a matter of fact, last I saw, the Dow was up 700 points. So I am absolutely glad to be wrong on that one. So let's see if we can get that to work for crypto now. I don't think crypto, let me stop. But hey, good people, we're going to keep it rolling. So what else? So the stock actually is doing well today. I'm glad about that. Travel is up. Consumer discretionary. All of those stocks are up. Lucid Motors and Tesla were both slightly down this morning because of investigations. You guys can pull that up. I want to briefly tell you guys what I have been buying today. I have been buying some stock today. Let's take a look. I switched my cameras out, so I don't know which. I got to look and see which one I'm on, good people. Hey, let's go right here. So I bought some Goldman Sachs today. Now, you may see that it's still coming down, right? And sometimes you can look at a chart and the chart will say, hey, the chart may suggest that you may want to wait because it may be a falling knife. But you don't just lock into what a chart says. You also look at what's going on. The Feds are talking about early tapering and interest rates raising as early as spring. We don't know. They may do it once they start tapering. Everybody's going to be thinking about interest rates, right? The market doesn't react in real time. The market looks towards the future. So I started buying banks. I already had Morgan Stanley. So I sold a little of my Morgan Stanley and bought some Goldman Sachs. Why did you do that, Larry? I had enough money allocated for banks, but I see a bigger upside in Goldman Sachs because of the price to earnings ratio. Okay. I bought Goldman Sachs some more at 385. Right. So I sold some of my Morgan Stanley and moved it over to Goldman Sachs early this morning before opening bell because I have Webull, good people, and that's where I do most of my swing trading there. but I bought a lot of Goldman Sachs in my Webull app because I'm going to trim some of this down the road. But for right now, I'm loading up on banks because interest rates go up, banks go up. All right, let's keep it moving. Tesla. Let's see. I bought some Tesla today too, good people. And because whenever Tesla goes under $1,000, I buy it. And they were getting slightly hit down. I bought some this morning at $973. And I'm good with that price. As you can see now, it's $1,000. Bought some Tesla under $1,000. I'm going to keep doing that. Every time Tesla comes under $1,000, I'm going to keep buying. And remember, both of these are long-term plays. I will be trimming some of my banks later because I have enough profit in it. And so I'm telling you what Larry is doing, because anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock or crypto. All right, let's keep it moving. I also started buying some Fisker today. This is where I bought some Fisker. I think Fisker, remember, these are long-term plays. Look, Fisker is another car company that is down. I believe that it's in a buy range. Okay, it could continue to fall, but we just don't know. So I covered Goldman Sachs, Tesla, Fisker. All right, and check this out, good people. This is why I suggest that everyone, and I do mean everyone, should buy some Bitcoin. Okay, look at this. All right, so I bought some Goldman Sachs, and I wanted to know what was Goldman Sachs holding as it pertains to Bitcoin. As you could see here, this was 3 days ago. Goldman Sachs and other Wall Street banks exploring Bitcoin-backed loans. Okay, so here's what Larry is never doing. Once I establish my positions fully, okay, so I'm going to later talk about what I'm going to do with all of my crypto. But once I establish my Bitcoin positions for long term, I'm never selling it. I will be able to take out a loan against my Bitcoin, but I'm never selling it. I believe that every Bitcoin will be worth $1 million in the next 10 years. I know that's a bold statement, all right? But I want you guys to look at, let's see here. I want you guys, for those of you that have not seen it, I want you guys to look and listen at this.
You can stay on the sidelines, but if you really, really want to become wealthy in the future, I would suggest you take $1 $1, buy some Bitcoins, put it in a wallet, put it away. Okay, I'm sorry for swearing, but you know what? It's just $1. Get some Bitcoins, put it away. It goes to nothing. Who cares, right? You only spent $1, right? You'll get a million satoshis for $1.
I had to re-record that because this brother is so passionate. He was using, words that I can't. He was so passionate. And I just want you to look at that, because I also want you to look at when he said that, for those of you that haven't seen it. Look at the date. May 9th, 2013. He was begging us to buy Bitcoin in 2013, May 9th. But check this out. May 9th, 2013, this gentleman, I want you guys to go to his page and watch his whole video. Let's look at this. Watch this, good people. Look at this. The closing price for Bitcoin on May 9th, 2013 was $112. Your $112 investment would be worth $49,209. according to Larry, your let's just say $112, let's say $113. Your $113 in 10 years will probably be worth $1 million. And so that's why I always suggest that we invest in the future. You guys seen it yourselves. We always say, what would this stock be? You know, how much money you would have had if you would have put $1,000 in Apple 30 years ago. Opportunities like this come every quarter, every year. The situation that most people have is we don't know how to hold anything long term. And I'm going to leave by saying this. If you want to create generational wealth, you must be willing and able to buy a stock or a crypto, and you must be willing to hold it for at least a generation. Find something that's solid, you have high long-term conviction in, buy it and hold it. And that's not these speculative stocks. These are good, solid, bedrock stock and now crypto. All right. I always say Bitcoin is that one. Bitcoin to crypto is equivalent to Apple to stock for me personally. Okay. Listen, good people. Now's the time for us to amp up, to ramp up, get our tools sharpened. If you don't have a trading platform, like I said, I was trading early this morning. In the middle of the day is where amateurs invest. Professionals invest the first hour and a half in the morning and pre-market and the last hour of the day. That's when most of the professionals are in and out. Good people. These are the facts. Okay. And so if you want to be able to trade before and after the market close, I mean hours, download the Webull app, deposit $100, get rolling. They're going to give you 2 free stock worth up to $100. Hey, for crypto, you guys know I'm all about Coinbase. Both of these apps are easy to use and phone friendly. All right. But just think about Bitcoin, good people. I don't care if you dollar cost average in. Just start. And because I want 10 years from now for it to be like 200,000 of you guys that are Bitcoin millionaires, let alone all of your other investments. All right. Hey, good people, this is Mic Check Monday. All right. So what is Mic Check Monday, Larry? That is, you guys make sure that you share my page with your friends and family. That's what Mic Check Monday is. It's going to be every Monday. It's a national holiday. Mic Check Monday for Stock Up with Larry Jones. Okay. I'm going to continue to help you guys make money, and you guys continue to keep me out there. The page has had great growth because of you, each and every one of you. And if you don't think that you are the one that makes the difference, I'm telling you, you are. So, but here's the benefit of it. They can't ask you for money if you show them how to get money. And we also can't just leave our kids money and give them money. We have to show them how to make their money make money. All right, good people, I'm gonna leave it right there. Leave me some comments. I love you guys. Listen, continue to hit that like button. Don't say, hey, my like don't count. It does. It helps keep me out there. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.